reduce or forestall the deaths that have already occurred in Kanyama before an epidemic breaks out. We call upon urgent action onto the Kanyama disaster because it is bound to explode right before our very own eyes in a worse manner than it did in 1978 under Kenneth Kaunda if Mr. Hichilema fails to act swiftly. It is going to be worse now because the population of poverty-stricken Kanyama residents is higher than it was in 1978. Conversely, we ask the Disaster Management and Mitigation Unit, DMMU, to expedite relief work, not only in Kanyama, but countrywide, where the floods have wreaked havoc. Furthermore, Mr. Hichilema must visit the flood-devastated areas once he returns from his Egypt holiday and show leadership. He must go beyond Kanyama. The very fact that ZESCO has switched off Kanyama is a testimony that the situation there is dire